you're going. That's really just more forward. Good.
Ooh, that was good.
Good. And exhale. Good. Good.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Back down. Remember whenever. And just relax everything. Relax your shoulders. Good. Right there.
Oh my god, that was so awesome. Oh my god. Ooh. That was like 30 years of like.
Just like compression.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That was
good.
good.
That was really loud. All right. Just right there. Good. Just relax your shoulder just a little bit more. That's good. The other side. Just go on here. How did that feel?
I mean, I feel this now.
Let me go around. And then... How does that feel? Alright. I want you to relax as much as possible. Good, right there.
Ah! Okay. You definitely give me a warning on that one. Oh, dude, really, bro. You didn't give me a warning on that. It popped everything like.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, just wanna do that. I thought you was just gonna keep pulling, you know, just keep pulling, just gently and just, yeah. It's good. I mean, it popped everything.
Your head up.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was a good one. Whoa.
Yeah.
There and all the way down. Yeah, that was a.
That whole thing, right?
Yep.
Good.
I feel like I also felt it here.
That's okay.
Oh my gosh, that's weird. It feels nice.
It feels nice,
Yeah.
right?
Oof.
Yeah. Right there, alright. Good.
Oh, that felt. I'm scared every time.
Turn your head down, relax your shoulders. Your shoulders more. There you go. More, right there.
Oh.
Exhale out. Upwards. Okay, relax your shoulders more.
Ah, that feels so good. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna skip right over this video. I don't need to see myself.
That's fine. Good. Relax a little more. There it is. Good.
Oh my.
You alright?
Yeah. Whew. Yeah.
That was alright.
Yeah.
It's kind of like everything.
Don't kill me, please.
Turn up like that. Good.
Oof.
It's a little harder.
A little bit.
Alright, let your hands.
Wait, is there more?
Yeah. Oh. I can feel this lower portion. You alright?
I'm so scared.
Good. Take a deep breath in and just relax. Relax your shoulders more. Right there.
Oh, shit. That one stung a little bit.
Yeah. Relax more. Good. Go ahead and sit up. Turn your head. this. Alright. So I just want you to relax just a little bit more. Good, relax your shoulders. Good.
Oh, ooh, that was awesome. Yeah, that was good. You know, because I always do my neck, like, I be like, something needs to pop right up in here.
Yeah.
And when I slept last night, I could really feel it starting to build up a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I like that. That euphoria feeling. Again.
That's huge, right?
Yes. Oh, that was awesome. Okay.
Relax a little bit more. Good.
Oh, Jesus.
That's loud.
That was super loud. Yeah. There you go.
Good.
Relax your shoulders. Good.
Oh crap.
You alright?
Yes.
And I think you can adjust it by me for a little bit. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna put my hand just like this and turn it. Good. Now what I want you to do is just relax as much as you can. Good. Relax those shoulders. Good.
Oh, yeah. I think I did need that. Yes.
Yeah.
That was a big one.
Yeah. That was huge.
Thank
That's
you.
why I did that, right? Good.
Yeah.
Relax your shoulders.
You heard that?
I heard that.
Oh, the fuck.
Right there hurts really bad.
Right here?
Yeah. But it's just sore. Yeah.
Let's do this. Just relax.
Oh yeah. That's probably why. Yay.
Yeah.
That was easy.
Yeah, it was super easy.
Oh my god.
Just try to relax as much as you can.
I actually felt that all the way over here now.
Good.
Yeah.
Deep breath and relax your shoulders more. Good. Good.
Ooh.
A little different. We can do this side. Relax your shoulders more. There you go.
Oh yeah, that felt good. Especially the other one.
Yeah.
Nice. I felt it. Ooh.
I'm gonna turn it. I'm gonna put my, maybe turn, and then just like this. And I want you to take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. Let your shoulders relax. Good. Good. Wow. How was that?
Yeah, it was good. I feel it right here.
Oh, how you doing, sir? Good, I can take you. Yeah, it's true. It's a holiday week.
I'm like trying to see when you pull it.
This way. I'm gonna take it like this. Alright. More. Good. Take a deep breath in. And exhale all the way out. Good. Relax your shoulders more. Good.
I like that.
Yeah.
I already feel a little looser, man.
Yeah. Bend your head down. Relax just a little bit more. Oh. Yeah. Just let your head come back up. Ready?
You're 30? Turned 30 yesterday, so I'm a young man.
Every time I'm like, okay, don't
It's getting easier
focus.
and easier every time. Lift your head. Feel it opening up a little bit. Take a deep breath in, exhale out. Good. Relax your shoulders more.
That was like a really like sharp kind of crack.
Yeah.
Not bad though.
Okay. One more. And exhale out, relax. Good. Good.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Are you sure that wasn't a fart?
Yeah. Feel everything going on right in through here. Feel that right there.
That feels so good.
That was it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm fine with that. Cool. Felt that in my pinkies. That was a good one.
That was big. All right. Yeah.
That was it.
That was it.
Yeah.
And we're gonna move this side, just like this. I want you to turn. So relax your shoulders, relax the neck. Good. Exhale. Good.
Okay.
Yeah. That was a lot.
Yeah.
Start right there. Relax more. Good. Go ahead and sit up. Good. Relax more. You all right?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Like definitely something only you could do.
Don't trust anybody else just yet, huh?
Right. Or I mean,
Ever.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go right here. Good, relax more. You all right?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, it's like there's no way that you could ever like do that to yourself. Like,
No.
and not, you know, like you think like, oh, I can crack my neck, but it's
can't.
nothing like that. Like, there's no way, and
No.
that's so nice. Yeah. No worries.
Right through here. I'm gonna hold tight, just like that. Good. Back here. And exhale out. And then one more time here. And exhale out. Can you grab yourself a little tighter? Does that feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to adjust a little bit further up and turn. No giggles today?
Oh, that was nice.
Yeah, that was easy.
Yeah.
That was a
yeah.
lot easier than last time too. There you go. Deep breath in and then out. Good, I'm gonna twist. There.
Good.
You're good? All right, that wasn't too bad, right?
No, that felt good.
Good, let your shoulders relax more. Yeah, right here.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Relax more. Good. Good, now relax a little bit more. Right here. Good. For me, come up, relax your shoulders.
Oh.
Good, more.
Am I still alive?
You're still alive. Relax more. Take a deep breath in, exhale out. Yeah?
That's left.
That's it for me.
Oh, yeah, that was good.
Good. Go right here, okay? Good.
Oh, yeah.
Relax more. Hold tight. And exhale.
Oh, yes.
Tilt your chin up a little bit and then relax. Relax your chin down. There you go. Good. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Right here. Good. Let the air out. Good. Good. Did you feel that?
Yes. Definitely for sure.
Good. A little bit more and just relax more right there. And just relax just a little bit more. Good.
That's nice.
That's good. Good. Relax your shoulders more. Good. Good. Now relax a little bit more. Good. One more.
Am I still alive?
You're still alive. Right here, okay? Good.
Oh,
Tilt your chin up a little bit and then relax. Relax your chin down. There you go. Good. Yep. Good. Relax your shoulders as much as you can. Good. One more time right here. Push. Good.
that felt good.
That was good, right? Good. Very relax. Good. Shoulder more.
Oh yeah. That felt good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, that felt really good.
Head.
Okay.
That's good.
Ooh, that felt good. Oh yeah.
There we go. Side two. Yeah, right here.
Oh yeah.
Good. Relax more. You okay?
Yeah, it feels like a rush.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That right here. Just want you to relax a little bit more. Good. Whoa. Yeah?
Yeah.
And then now relax more.
Ooh. That was a good one too. You're on it today. Uh,
Go ahead and do the other side.
Just rest your head into this hand. I'm gonna push right here.
I need a nap.
And I'm gonna do. There you go. Good. I want you all. Good.
Wow.
Exhale all the way. I'm gonna push here. Good. Good. Right there. Exhale out. Good. Look up a little bit there for me. Good. Relax a little bit more. There you go.
Yeah, I felt that one.
Good. You don't have to move. Good. And I'm gonna push up. Just right there. Relax more. No giggles today.
Oh, that was nice.
Yeah, right there.
No, it doesn't affect it. No, it's good.
Ooh. Yeah?
That was a good one.
Yeah.
I needed that.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a good one.
That was huge.
Yeah.
Relax, let it go. Let it go. Good. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. That was good. Good. Let's get you on the other side. Not too bad, was it? Come down more. relax here. Deep breath in, exhale. Awesome. Good. Whew. On your back for me. This is a little bit lower. Good. I'm gonna push. See how stuck it is right there? All right. Take a deep breath in.
You know, the one that's over here by the,
Good.
I felt it.
Wow.
I'm gonna have you grab this way. That's perfect. Good. And exhale. Don't hold tight. Don't hold tight. Good. Good.
Oh, felt that one.
Yeah. Just relax more. Good.
that's just right on that.
Roll back this way. Good. Relax more. Relax more. Good. There. Good. Just relax a little bit more. Good.
Wow.
Yeah. Good. Relax a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna push right here. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Good. Relax more. Exhale out. Good. That was good. Good for you. So let's do this side here first though. That's good. All right.
Yeah.
You ready? So we're gonna adjust this right side here. Yeah. Good. Just relax a little bit more from across. Yeah.
Cool.
That was good.
Feels great.
Already started.
Good. Deep breath in and out. Awesome. Good. Go on the other side. Good. Exhale out. Go on the left side there. Awesome. Good. So I want you to take a deep breath in and then exhale out. More. Good.
Oh, that was big.
That was big, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna hit the C2, C3 region. One more. There we go.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can even feel it all over here. I felt it all. I felt this nerve or something here.
Yeah.
Oh, we.
Here. So I want you to take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out. Good, let it go.
Oh, we.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's too funny, bro.
Yeah, good.
Like I see my shit. I just migrated like 6 months ago, real bad, and
Okay.
I think I was hurt for like a whole month.
So we're gonna, I want you to let that hip relax more. There it goes. This one has a little bit more movement. All right, relax your hip for me more. That's good.
Beautiful.
You look good? You ready?
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna adjust right here where that C5, C6 area is. You can feel this.
Oh, I feel something.
All in through here, and then all in through here too. So we're gonna get this left side right there. I'm gonna press right there. There it is. Okay. All right. So just relax.
Ooh wee.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's serious.
Okay. Yeah. Right up here. Yeah, right there. Alright, we're gonna deep breath in and out. Good, right there. Good. Pull this around. Good. Relax more. There you go. Good. You're all set. Good. Good. Put it.
Okay.
You all right?
Yeah.
That was a big
That's just a
adjustment.
lot. Yeah.
Yeah. There. Relax more. Go on your side and face that way. Just like this. Deep breath in and out. Good. Good. Yeah. Tilt your chin up. Good. Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Some more. Right there. Good. And exhale out. Good. Good. That's not right. Good. Relax more. 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 Good. There it is. Here. I'm gonna roll. Good. Look up more. Good. There it is. Lean back. Just look up. Good. Now relax your shoulders. Whoa, that's a big one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Deep breath in and out. And exhale out. Good. All right, let your hands.
Is there more?
Yeah. Cover them. Yeah, 'cause it's pretty messy too.
Oh.
Okay. Look straight and then look up towards the camera. Good. Yeah.
Do not use that footage.
Just here. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. 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 Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. Good. Good.
Oh yeah. Oh, that was good.
Yeah.
Ah.
So we're gonna go right here.
Be right back.
Good. Just relax more right there. Good. There you go.
Oh, feels good.
That was a big one.
Feels good.
Turn. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out.
Ooh. That was a big pop.
curve is right here where it's going the opposite way. I'm gonna tilt your chin up this way. Okay. Now relax more. Yeah?
Yeah, that's great.
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
You alright?
Yes. That felt good. Did you hear it?
I did hear it. I hear it. Don't trust me. I hear it. A little bit more. All right, so I'm gonna turn your head like this.
Oof. Oh my goodness.
You all right?
Yeah, that was good.
Good, just right there. Wow.